Thanks for stopping by. We hope that you enjoyed the brief look into our life and adventures. I'm Ron.
I'm Judy, and we're fulltimedream.rv. We want to show you how to make the most of your free time and enjoy your life in a budget-friendly way.
We currently reside in New York. No, not this New York. This New York.
So click the subscribe button and join us on our journeys.
And hit the notification bell and get all of your friends and family to come along with us.
Thanks for watching.
See you soon.
Bye.